My son don't need no damn girlfriend. Talking about I got a girlfriend and she came to the game. Oh, we finna see. We finna see who. Hey, don't be blowing. Oh, are you out your motherfucking mind? Don't be motherfucking blowing in no motherfucking body in that big ass truck, bitch. Get your motherfucking ass from around here. No, we ain't gonna be calm, motherfucker. I will get out this motherfucking car. Not to motherfucking day, bitch. Not on happy day. This happy day. Yeah, get me out the way. Cause this happy day. I'm not finna fuck with that. Out your motherfucking mind. He out his motherfucking mind playing with me. Not the motherfucking day. Stupid ass. What the fuck be wrong with them?
They're all in place here. I got them.
Thank you.